Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. This is part 2. So we are going to explain you min, minute, MMULT and mode formula. Number 1, min. This function picks the lowest value from the list of data. Very simple. This function picks the lowest value from a list of data. Formula details, you just need to mention min, select your range and then bracket close and then enter. You will get the least value from a list of data. Formatting required or not, no special formatting is needed. Very basic but very useful formula if you're working on large database. One more thing, complete details, this video complete details available in description box, so you can copy and paste for your future reference. But before that, please make sure to subscribe this channel. Next formula, minute formula. This function will show the minute of the hour based upon a time or a number. Only the fraction part of the number is used, as it is this which relates to time of day. I'm going to repeat. Only the fraction part of the number is used as it is this which relates to time of day. Formula details, you just need to mention minute, then select your number or time number and then bracket close and then enter. Formatting required or not, this result will be shown as a normal number between 0 to 59. Result will be shown as a normal number only between 0 to 59. If this is difficult for you to understand, then we have a separate videos in which we already explain all this formula with multiple example: min, minute, MMULT, mode, month, MRound, everything. MMULT formula. This is very interesting formula. I'm telling you that, guys. This function multiplies one range of value with another range of values. The range do not have to be of equal size. The dimension of the result range is in direct proportion to dimension of the two input range. It is an array function and must be entered using Ctrl+Shift+Enter combination. Formula details: MMULT, then range 1 and then range 2. Close your bracket and then enter. You will get your detail. No formatting is required for using this formula. Only one thing, this is array formula, so must be entered using Ctrl+Shift+Enter combination. We already explained MMULT formula with multiple examples in our separate video. So please subscribe this channel and check our other videos as well. This is part 2. So we are explaining you min, minute, MMULT and mode, and in part 3 we are going to explain you mode, month and MRound formula. In part 2 we already explained you match, max, median and mid formula. So now moving into last formula, mode formula. I would say is not that much important formula, but yeah, very unique formula as well, because MMULT is very unique and it's very difficult to perform as well, but mode is like very unique but not that much difficult or that much interesting. This function calculates the remainder after a number has been divided by another number. I'm going to repeat. This function calculates the remainder after a number has been divided by another number. Formula details, you just need to mention mode, select your number and that number divisor, close your bracket and then enter. You will get your mode number. Formatting required or not, no special formatting is needed, guys. This formula works in every single version of Excel. So mode formula, repeating again, this function calculates the remainder after a number has been divided by another number. Very simple, just need to mention mode, select your number and then select divisor of that number, close your bracket, enter. You will get your result, and this formula works in every single version of Excel. This video details available in description box, so please copy and paste for your future reference. But for that, please make sure to subscribe this channel. I am repeating again, MMULT formula. That MMULT is an array function and must be entered using Ctrl+Shift+Enter combination. And if this is difficult for you to understand, then we have a separate videos in which we already explained this formula with multiple and different examples. So might be that will be more helpful for you to understand how this formula works. In a single video, we are not able to explain all this formula with multiple examples. So here we are just providing you basic details of every single formula, and then we have a separate video in which we already explained this formula through multiple and different kind of examples. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't miss to subscribe this channel. Have a great day, have a great future. Thanks a lot.